The saying goes that if the population is not controlled, nature itself will control it. Infants have been sacrificed and killed since prehistoric times. Currently, 80 million unborn babies are killed annually through abortion, and 2 in 3,000 live births are killed. Yet poverty, hunger, natural disasters, wars, accidents, epidemics, and other mass deaths continue to occur. This may be a battle between the born and the unborn due to the nature of the living world, which leads to birth and then destroys. Since the world is run by living humans, we must adopt the solution ourselves. Population should be controlled through self-control. As the demand for food decreases, the population of all living things will decrease. This will reduce the ratio of those born to those not born and create a sense of calm in nature. Nature is the mirror of the living world.